Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy meme coins on Crypto.com. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of purchasing meme coins on one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. First, you need to create an account on Crypto.com if you don't already have one. Go to the Crypto.com website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. You will also need to provide some basic personal information and verify your account. Once your account is set up and verified, you need to fund it with a cryptocurrency that can be used to buy meme coins, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can do this by clicking on the Accounts tab and then selecting the Deposit option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Next, navigate to the Crypto.com exchange by clicking on the Trade tab. Here you can search for the meme coin you want to buy by typing its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Once you have found the coin, click on it to go to its trading page. On the trading page, you will see a chart of the coin's price history, as well as a box where you can enter the amount of the coin you want to buy. You can also choose the cryptocurrency you want to use to make the purchase. Enter the amount and click on the Buy button to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that buying meme coins can be highly speculative and carries a high level of risk. Meme coins often have limited liquidity and can be highly volatile, so it is essential to do your research and set a budget before making a purchase. Finally, once you have bought your meme coin, you can store it in your Crypto.com wallet or transfer it to an external wallet. It is always a good idea to keep your cryptocurrency secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can easily buy meme coins on Crypto.com. Remember to always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.